Well, lose it or move it. When it comes to hair loss, one procedure is starting to catch on, and it's making believers out of people who thought that they'd tried everything. It's almost pain-free, and it's a pain-free way to regrow a receding hairline or a bald spot. It's called neograft hair restoration. It works simply by taking hair from a thicker patch on your head or somewhere else on your body and planting it on your bald spot. And joining me now in studio is a cosmetic surgeon who's helping patients regrow their hair right here in Metro Detroit, Dr. Mark Berkowitz. Thank you for being here with us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
You are such a believer in this procedure. Not only do you practice it, but you've also had it done yourself.
I had it done 4 months ago, and my hair is already growing in, and it's just going to get better over the next 6 months.
And these are your before and after pictures here.
Yes.
The before is on the left, not too bad, and then you've got your after picture. How many months later was that?
That's around 3 months, and you know, hair grows in cycles, so there's a sleep cycle right now.
Okay.
And it's going to start waking up, and in the next 3 to 6 months' time, the hair is going to come in even better.
Wow. Okay, so there is a lot of hope. Now, we've been asking for our viewers on Facebook to kind of chime in on this story and ask any questions that they might have about this procedure and about hair loss. Let's go to the first question. This comes to us from Jen Priester on our Facebook page. She says, can we donate hairs for balding men? So she wants to know if she has enough hair, can you kind of donate it and plant it into someone else's head? Is that possible?
It's possible, but not probable. I mean, if it's something like a heart transfer, the medications that you have to give somebody so that they can take on that transplant makes sense. But for hair, it doesn't really make sense. So it's a great idea, but wouldn't do it.
Okay, let's go to the second question here. This is from Mary Ann Pacheco. She says that, I'm wondering if it's true that some people get blood injected into their scalp to help with hair growth. Does that actually work?
I know it sounds strange, but it works. So,
it does?
Yeah, so you've probably heard Kim Kardashian had the vampire facelift, which I perform. Well, it's basically taking blood, spinning it out, taking the platelets, which have growth factor in them, and you can inject it into the scalp and get hair growth.
Wow. Okay, you learn something new every day. Here's another question from our Facebook page. This one comes to us from Joshua Doty. He says, my biggest shame is my hair. 1, I'm balding at age 32. 2, I have hair everywhere else that I don't want it. Why is that?
That's a problem, especially men as we get older. It occurs we get hair from our ears and noses. We don't want that hair. But what happens is there's a hormone we all have heard of, testosterone. Testosterone forms something called DHT. DHT tells the hair here, here, here to grow. But the hair over here, it tells bye-bye, go to sleep.
Wow.
And so that DHT, because of that, that's why we're able to transfer the hair from here to here.
Gotcha. And I know that you can also transfer body hair to that area, but of course there's the...
You can. It's a bit unpredictable, but you can do that for somebody who's totally bald.
Gotcha. All right, well, for more information on neograft hair restoration or to contact Dr. Berkowitz at Accents Cosmetic Surgery, go to clickondetroit.com and click on this story. I know you have to run off to surgery to actually perform something like this, so we'll let you go.
We're having neograft today.
There you go. Thanks for stopping in.
Thank you so much.